Hey everyone, Kyle here. Today I'm going to show you how to recover your old Cash App account even if you don't have access to the original email or phone number. Let's dive right into it. So first, open your Cash App account on your device. Make sure you aren't logged in into any other Cash App account. When prompted, enter the phone number or email that was linked to your old account. After entering it, you'll receive a verification code. Simply enter the code to log into your old account. Now that you have already logged in, now here's what you would need to do. First is open your Cash App. And then from here, tap on the profile icon so that you would be able to go here in the settings. So as you can see here, you would need to go to the Cash App support. So to do that, you would need to go tap on your profile icon here on the top right, and then scroll down until you see support here at the bottom, which is right here. And then from the options, what you want to do here is select something else, as you can see right there. And then from there, you would need to look for the can't access old account option, and then tap on contact support, and then basically just chat it on what the problem is all about, and just tap yes to confirm. After that, you'll receive a confirmation email from Cash App support team asking for some personal details to verify your identity. Once your information is confirmed, your old Cash App account will be merged with your new one. And that's it. That is basically how you do it. Thank you for watching.